And welcome to another episode of Two Scrubs Garage. Andrew over here
Oh, hey there.
is kind of nervous because this is his episode. This is the episode that we work on the Mazda. What else, I pose the question to you audience, what else would you do with a 2.5 liter Mazda other than cut the muffler off? So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to have a before video and an after video of just startup, rev, and maybe interior drive-by if we feel like it. Of just what it sounds muffled and demuffled. Andrew's ordering a complete like heartthrob exhaust or something like that.
Was it Racing Beat exhaust?
Racing Beat exhaust. So we're not really worried if it sounds like crap or not. We just don't care. We have an exhaust coming in, so why not, right? So yeah, that's it.
He forgot the Sawzall blades at his friend's house. His friend lives half an hour away. You will see him back in a second. I will wait an hour. Hey, what's going on?
So those blades we bought, they're still at Chandler's house. In College Grove, 40 minutes away. I'll be RB.
1 hour later.
That was an hour not worth it driving. I also don't know how to put this blade in. See, I'm trying to cut it right here.
Yeah.
Wait, what was that?
Once I cut it, the only thing that will be attaching it up here are these little stoppers.
Just the hangers?
Yeah, so it's probably gonna fall on me and hopefully not burn me.
It'll be alright. I did it.
You took it out complete.
What?
Wait, do the test from the inlet pipe.
No.
Oh, good luck.
Dude!
Alright. Sounds kind of good.